Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into crypto, you know that transferring assets like XRP between exchanges and wallets can feel a bit intimidating, especially with all the updates in 2025. Today, we're breaking down how to seamlessly transfer XRP from Bitrue to Revolut. This guide is perfect for beginners or anyone wanting a quick, hassle-free process. By the end, you'll be moving your XRP like a pro. First things first, before we dive in, make sure you have a few essentials ready. You'll need an active Bitrue account with XRP in it, a Revolut account that's set up for crypto, and two-factor authentication enabled on both for security. Oh, and keep an eye on any network fees. XRP transactions are fast, but costs can vary based on the blockchain. Let's get into the steps. Step 1. Log into your Bitrue account. Head over to the dashboard and navigate to the Wallet, or Withdraw, section. Select XRP from your assets list. Now, on your Revolut app, go to the Crypto section and find your XRP wallet address. Copy that address carefully, double-check it to avoid any mix-ups. Step 2. Back in Bitrue, paste the Revolut wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees. Review the details, including the estimated transaction time, which is usually under a minute for XRP on the XRP ledger. Hit Confirm and authenticate with your 2FA. Once the transfer is initiated, keep an eye on your Revolut app. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to show up, depending on network congestion in 2025. Pro tip: always use the official apps and avoid public Wi-Fi for these transactions to stay safe from scams. And there you have it. That's how you transfer XRP from Bitrue to Revolut in 2025. It's straightforward once you know the ropes. If you run into any issues, check the help sections on both platforms. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you in the next one.